What's up, everybody? This is an update on the garden area and the pallet fence. So as you can see behind me, I'm 90% there. I've got one gate I need to build, and I need to get some wire mesh around the bottom of the fence. But let's go have a look. So today I got the planks up in between this section of pallet fence. So I had these planks left over for a few years now from fence projects that I've done over the years, and so I cut them down and filled out this section of fence. As you can see, the gate on the lower end is done and works. We'll go take a look at that. Voila. And so the gate, so I just need to put the wire mesh around the bottom to prevent the bunnies from being able to get through the slats. This is the apple orchard with trees that are probably about 50 or 60 years old. They need some love. When the blackberries were all down here, which is the way it was when we moved in 8 years ago, it definitely made this inaccessible. So we need to spend some time this fall cleaning out these apple trees. This has kind of been my pallet stacking ground. The plan here is this whole area is I'm gonna flatten it. You can see the gravel back there in the background. I'm gonna put a foundation down, and with these pallets here, I'm gonna build the foundation for a little tool shed just to store tools, and then I'm gonna build a greenhouse down here for Jerry. So that's a future project. Last week, I spent a lot of time clearing out all of this brush and trees. You can see my stack of wood right up there. I'm cleaning out this chestnut here. Be chipping that pile and using it for the garden. Later this week, I'll be spending some time terracing this garden and preparing it for planting. So that's going to take a little bit of effort. We'll be putting a walkway pretty much right here, and coming down, moving out along both ways, and then terracing down this way and along here. We'll put some larger boxes on this side and then terraces here. Jerry's already got it all mapped out. I'll post that garden map and the app that she's using, which will tell us exactly numbers of square feet and of material that we'll need, and so on and so forth. So that's the update on the project today. Thank you so much.